If you're experiencing issues with enabling multiplayer on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to gaming with friends. Step 1. Check PlayStation Network status. Visit the official PlayStation Network status page to see if there are any outages or maintenance activities. If the network is down, you will need to wait until it is restored. Step 2. Update your PS5. Make sure your PlayStation 5 system software is up to date. Go to Settings, System Software, Update and Settings, and select Update System Software to download and install any available updates. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Go to Settings, Network Test Internet Connection to verify that your PS5 is connected to the internet and that the connection speed is sufficient for online gaming. Step 4. Adjust privacy settings. Check your privacy settings to ensure that multiplayer features are enabled. Go to Settings, Users and Accounts Privacy View and customize your privacy settings, and make sure that Who Can Play With You is set to allow friends or everyone. Step 5. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your PS5 completely, unplug it for a minute, then plug it back in and power it on again. This can help refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. By following these steps, you should be able to enable multiplayer on your PlayStation 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance. Happy gaming!